Installation and trial of TSSD for AutoCAD software. Double-click the installation package, click Next, select the installation directory, and the software will be installed. This version supports AutoCAD versions 2010 to 2026. After the installation is completed, a TSSD software icon will be created on the desktop. Double-click to run the software, and under Multiple CAD Versions, a dialog box for selecting the CAD version will pop up. If there is only one CAD version installed, the software will open directly after double-clicking. After entering the software, a software authorization dialog box will pop up. Click on Trial, then click on Apply for Trial. Fill in your name and email address, and then send the verification code. Click OK, and once the authorization is successful, you can start using the software. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.